Go again.
Grabe naman si Bebet, Kuya Andoy. Nagtiwala ako sa kanya.
Hindi ba pinagkatiwala mo rin si Hubert? Ano yung nangyari? Masama pala siyang balak sa'yo. Subo pala siya, Neptuna.
Kahimik ko.
Mabuti ka na wala si Neptuna to. Kahimik.
Tablet.
Ito sa kayo.
Iniisip niyo po bang...
Wait, tumbler.
She's like trying to figure out, how did I do that
Hindi
again?
mo si Bebet.
Tumbling.
Baka may pagkakonsyabang sila.
One.
Kumuha sa'yo. Mag-iingat.
I bet she's doing like this to her leg already.
Yeah.
Ayaw ka lang yan mawala sa amin.
Positioning. Oh, the arm. The arm is ready to go.
Side, yung popo agad.
Look at her. Why like that?
Why nagdat ka nagulat?
Nagagano siya eh.
Come on, baby, do it again.
Come on, do it. Do it, baby. Tahimik eh. What's happened?
What happened? How come you're stuck? Like that. Come on. Come here. Turn around. Turn again. Turn again. Here. Get veggie. Get veggie. Yeah, come on. Ooh. Come on.
Other side. Side. Go.
There.
Head.
Come on. Man. Do it again, baby.
Other side.
Oh, she's gonna do the other side. There.
Do it.
Go. One more time, baby. Others there.
One more time.
There.
Go.
There. Oh my God, go. Come on, right here, baby. Come on, baby, right here. Look here, almost. Come on. She's thinking. Come on. Oh, come on, baby, turn here, baby. Turn. Yay. Come on, baby, move your arm.
Already her body already.
I know, she's trying though. Oh. You just have to move your arm. It's in the way. Here. There. Turn. There. Come on. Come on. You're almost there. There. Come on, Ariana. Come on, Ariana. You can do it. Come on.